Alright guys, this is a Mercury single, so this is for rooms that are just for only one person. So as you can see, you can walk in. It's a little cozier. There's 2 windows in this one, so there's still a lot of natural lighting come in. There's like there's same like furniture as a double. There's a bed, there's a small desk, a big dresser, and a desk with a chair for you can sit down and do your work. And then on this side, you can see that there's a little closet with some hangers, place you can put your clothes and stuff like that. So basically, a double just cut in half so you can have your own space.
And people typically loft their beds just a little bit higher than this, so you can fit all your furniture underneath and still have space for like a rug or whatever else you want.
Yeah. And then the only difference, the big difference between a single and a double is that you don't have your own bathroom in the single, but the bathrooms for the singles are right across the hall. So they're not too far away. You just have to walk right across the hallway to get to your bathroom.